In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get research points fast in War Thunder. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, before I teach you how to actually acquire research points and the best ways to do it, I do want to make a disclaimer and say that getting research points faster in War Thunder is really difficult because there isn't something specific you can do to grind out a lot of points in a short span of time. This mostly comes with playing the game, and naturally you are going to amass a bunch of research points. In this video, I'm going to go over some matters that you might want to consider if you are really trying to speed up the process, but with this disclaimer, I want to make it clear that there is no single way to acquire a lot of points in no time. Now, the first option to consider is to buy a premium account. If you have money to spare and you know it is that you really like the game, this is a consideration that you might want to make, as it is going to increase research points and silver lions altogether for playing the game. So you will be able to play the game, have fun, and naturally amass a high quantity of research points. Because like I said, there isn't a single way to farm these points. It mostly comes with just playing and amassing them. So consider buying a premium account if you have money to spare and you know it is that you really like the game. With this consideration out of the way, what you can do is, if you are grinding over long sessions, you can try doing typical battles, so arcade, air battles, ground battles, or naval battles. But if you want to queue and grind short term, you might want to consider doing simulator battles, as these might be a worthwhile use of your time if you are a veteran player and you are willing to do them. But sadly, besides just farming the game modes and doing events, you won't be able to repeat a single step to farm these points. They will come naturally, and you would just have to keep playing the game and amassing them. I hope I was able to help you on how to get research points fast in War Thunder. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.